Welcome. This is a lesson plan overview using the project-based learning approach. For this approach, our learners will decide a real-world problem and will work together to solve it. The subject of this lesson plan is web design and prototyping. Our learners will identify the problem and work together to find a solution. In this case, our learners are having problems with the benchmarking system that their organization uses. Their benchmarking system is used to track the academic progress of the clients. Their current benchmarking system is time-consuming, outdated, and not user-friendly. This is the problem that our learners will try to solve together. Let's look at some of our learning objectives. During the process of solving the problem, the learners will discuss the needed data to improve the benchmarking system. They will also outline responsibilities, divide responsibilities among themselves, consider previous experience in web design prototyping, and perhaps experience working in the current benchmarking system. They will also examine the improved website features that they want to create for the new benchmark system application. They will choose the data and improve features for the new benchmark system. They will identify the transferable data from previous benchmarking system that they can still use. They will categorize the improved features for website pages in their new prototype. They will design the prototype for the benchmark system. They will propose an overview of the capabilities, and also they will value and integrate feedback given to them by experts, designers, web designers, and coders. Let's look at how our learners will achieve solving their problem. They will brainstorm ideas on how to solve and how to design the new prototype. They will also divide the tasks and responsibilities, assigning responsibilities to people who perhaps have experience designing websites or prototypes for online applications. They will also collect and categorize information needed to create the improved features for the new benchmarking system. They will receive input from experts and they will utilize and integrate that feedback into their prototype. And finally, they will design the website prototype for the online application and the new benchmarking system. Let's look at some of the technology that our learners will have available to achieve their objective of creating an improved benchmark system application. They will have access to drawing tablets so they can draw the website pages for the new benchmark system. They will use conference video equipment to talk and interact with the experts. They will use Skype software to send files and to send instant messages among themselves and share their ideas. And they will create online documents with the feedback and the ideas for the project. Now, let's look at the assessment for this project. The assessment criteria will include a successfully integrated, partially integrated, and failed to integrate rating. And it will be applied to the following criteria: integrate and consumer prototype feedback, prototype demonstrates functionality and user-friendly, prototype preserves transfer functions, and prototype displays feasible improved features. This was a lesson plan overview using the project-based learning approach. Thank you for watching.